how to make money on people per hour as a WordPress developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can sell your skills or where you can list your skills in order to sell them for the individuals or the business owners that are looking for someone to do those jobs for them. So for example, if you are a WordPress developer, so here I think the category is in the technology and programming. So here we're going to search for a WordPress developer, website development. And here let's just enter search freelancers. And here let's enter WordPress developers. So here we're going to see all of the freelancers that are doing WordPress jobs, design and develop responsive SEO-friendly WordPress website, design responsive SEO-friendly and fast-loading WordPress website, any customization, maintenance, support to WordPress website, design and develop, super quick website fixing. So I'm going to show you how you can list your job to be just like one of those freelancers, to list your job in here in order to get hired from a business or an individual. So let's go back to the first page, and here go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and then click on I want to work as a freelancer, then sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And then log in. And as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. And then click on apply now. And here complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture, and then you proceed to add in your job title. So for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with WordPress developer. And here you enter your skills. So the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with WordPress design, and then WordPress development, and WordPress e-commerce. Also, we're going to go with WordPress template. What else do we have? WordPress plugin. So that's WordPress plugin development. And that's all for those skills. And then after entering your skills, you proceed to entering your about, which is describe yourself to buyers. So guys, if you want to enter a decent description for your bio, what you will need to do is go and search for your competitors and take inspiration from their bios. So here, let's go to website development to search for the WordPress skills. So here we have super quick website, fix any WordPress website updates, errors, and all of that. Here we have design and develop responsive SEO-friendly WordPress website. So let's check this one's description first. So here, read more, and just from the first impression, it's very long. I'm not advising you to do anything this long, but let's read it. 100% feedback on PeoplePerHour, one of the few top cert providers, quality guaranteed. We're Wings Web Media, a team of passionate creatives, developers, and marketers, and then this is their services and their frameworks. And this is a very long description. I'm not interested in this one. Let's go back to find a brief and organized description. Let's check this one, for example. This is an agency, and it's the same thing. It's very long description again. I'm searching for something brief, something not too long. Let's check this one. Let's see this man's description. I hope it's not that long again. And this is a decent description, as you can see. Small description, easy to read, and well organized. We craft elegant and robust websites for startups, agencies, and enterprises. Experience a web design company who has been delivering progressive and result-oriented solutions for businesses worldwide for more than 15 years. We just do not build your website, we help your business succeed. Being one of the pioneer web design company, our expertise and efficiency in delivering quality web design services and web development services have helped us establish ourselves successfully as one of the trusted web design firm to our huge clientele worldwide. We have proved to be a reliable outsource partner for digital agencies all over the globe. Our team is always ready to walk the extra mile to guarantee customer satisfaction. We can help make your ideas work. Let's discuss. So this is a very decent description. It's perfect to take inspiration from. So I advise you to take inspiration from this man's description. And after you're done with your description, enter your location, the languages that you can speak, and your hourly rate. Then you click on submit application, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.